Alright, Orion FX1 or CCW FXX, also known as other things in other parts of the world. This one is branded as a Time Moto on the seat with a Pitster Pro engine. I bought it off of GPX Moto out of Utah. They had it imported as a sample to see if they wanted to import these under their brand name, but they decided against it and they just sold these off. They only had a few of them. So anyway, motor's cold. I'm going to kick start it over just to show you how easy it is to start. It's also got a magic button to start. Here's the starter. So when I got it, I pulled all these bolts, almost every bolt I could find on the bike. Pulled it out and Loctited it so that they don't rattle loose. Pretty much standard procedure on any Chinese motorcycle. I added a pigtail to hook up your trickle charger. The starter button quit on me at some point and I couldn't trace the wire down to where the problem actually was, so that's what these red wires are. I ran a new set of wires up to the starter button, so that works fine now. The carb is mostly dialed in. This is the no-name carb it came with. There's a little mid-throttle weirdness, but easy to ride through and easy to tune if you want to get into it. I don't have anywhere except my driveway to test and tune, so I can't really get it super dialed. And that's about it.